OK Magazine, how you doing? I'm Toby Anstis. Do you want to come on in? Come and have a look around. This is probably my first favourite place in the house. It's kind of like music corner. So I've got my decks here and I use these to practice on before I go and do live gigs, which we're going to be able to do again soon, which is great. So I do a lot of practicing here and getting tunes on and listening to new stuff as well. And then, well, here's the hard dance mics. I had to use this when we were on lockdown last year. I had to do the show from home for about 6 or 7 weeks. But actually it wasn't too much of a problem. You just plug this in to like the laptop. We could do the Hard Dance Breakfast Show from here, which is amazing. This is my second favourite place in the house, just to come and lounge and relax after a long day at work, just to grab a beer and catch up on stuff on telly, watch some football or whatever, until it's time to go to bed. Welcome to my bedroom, come inside. Another one of my favourite things in the house, these two photos. It's me and my twin sister Kate, but you've got to decide who's who, which is me or which is my twin sister. You better get this right as well. Yep, you go with that one. Yep, that's me. And for some reason they put me in like a girl's baby throw. What were they thinking? And there's my gorgeous twin sister looking very cute. Two of my favourite things in the house. Let's go and find the next one. So next up it's my kitchen, which was really quite small when I first bought the house, but I've had it kind of gradually had bits put on and had it extended and finally kind of finished. Just these little kind of like the rounded cupboards and the gloss. And the drinks inside there. Yes, there we go. Got one or two little things. What do you fancy? Gin and tonic, vodka. I can do anything you want, whatever. And it's just quite spacious. Nice to be able to just have the freedom to walk around and do some cooking, which I enjoy. Just a nice place to be. Kitchens are very kind of social places, aren't they? This is now exactly how I like it. It's got room here to have people for dinner. And then if we step outside, this is my next favourite thing. It's not anything too big, it's not a massive garden, but it's just to be able to get out in the fresh air and have somewhere to come and relax. We get some good weather. Just be able to come back and kick back. The sun starts over there and it sort of finishes up. So if it was 7 o'clock at night, I'd still have the sun on my face in this part of the garden. I've got a nice little burner there in case it gets a bit chilly. In those autumnal months and can have friends round and kick back. Got a little sunbed there as well, just to soak up the rays. So it's only a small garden, nothing too big, nothing too, glitzy, but it does the job. And it's very peaceful and quiet, and you can just gather your thoughts and get some fresh air, hear the birds singing. Yeah, it's beautiful, like out here. Thank you very much, OK, for coming in and having a little look around my house. Hope you've enjoyed it. I'm now off to prep tomorrow morning's show. See you later.